Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with spoiled milk step by step. Heat the milk to 180 degrees F to kill unwanted bacteria, then cool to 110 degrees F before adding your starter culture. Stir in a spoonful or measured packet of starter, keep the mixture warm and insulated, and incubate undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours until set. I'll guide you calmly through safety checks and common adjustments for texture and tang. Start by confirming safety. Smell and look for mold or extreme curdling. Discard if findings are alarming. If the milk smells tangy but not rotten, proceed with caution and heat treatment to 180 degrees F to reduce risk. Cooling to 110 degrees F protects starter cultures while minimizing harmful survivors. I'll explain quick tests and visual clues to help you decide whether to continue or compost the milk, keeping your kitchen and family safe. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and future videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, I recently enjoyed a book that can truly change how you think about money, a handy read while your yogurt cultures. I'll mention it briefly and link to it in the description. Check the description for that link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Once the safety check is clear, heat milk to 180 degrees F and hold for a few minutes to denature proteins and reduce unwanted microbes. Cool carefully to 110 degrees F, then whisk in your starter culture evenly so beneficial bacteria distribute well. Transfer to an incubator or warm spot at 105–110 degrees F and let it culture for 6 to 12 hours until it thickens and tastes tangy. Then chill to finish the set and improve texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.